Hey, what's up guys, I am Apurba from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my Buzzious review. In this video we are going to see the features of the software, see the demo of the software, and after that we are going to see the bonuses which I pick only for this software, which worth more than $6,697. So if you find it interesting, then please stick with me in this video and hit the like button, because it gives me motivation to create more valuable content for you. So let's get to see the bonuses first, and after that we will go into see the features and then demo. Okay, so let's see. Actually, in a nutshell, Buzzious is a world-class all-in-one news site builder that helps you to instantly launch your own fully monetized viral site with trending curated content and videos to drive passive profits in any niche. So it allows you to search unlimited trending in articles from top news sites via keyword and post them on your site with relevant videos, image, ad, affiliate products and links, so that you can collect revenue when visitors simply click on ads and check your affiliate offers. With Buzzious you get some editors, Google Analytics integration, unlimited video post, custom domains addition, so you can add custom domain on this software so that you can publish your own newsletter website. This is a SEO friendly URLs. Okay, next one is AdSense supports inbuilt users and email management system, custom RSS support, multilingual support, etc. So this is a complete platform that allows you to copy the exact same way leading online news sites earn daily income without writing a single piece of content, creating product, paying for traffic and ads, creating videos. So this will help you to create, basically this software will help you to create your own news website. Okay, and you get all the integrations which is essential for a website, like Google Analytics, social sharing, SEO friendly domains, AdSense support, email management system, a custom RSS, which is the most important thing for any kind of newsletter sites. Okay, next one is, here you can see some features of Buzzious, we will go through later, and here you can see the price and upsells of it. So let's go to see the bonuses first, and after that we'll see the another options. Okay, so my first bonus is WP list up plugin, after that WP traffic resources, WP viral traffic ninja, your own private cloud service for free. After that, here you can see click drive media traffic videos, cloud computing secrets, how to WordPress plugin upgrade, how to build traffic to your website, modern video marketing video secret, software killer secrets, after that web video production, after that unplug a video upgrade, after that underground remarketing boom, after that traffic exchange video course. Next one is 100 software creation ideas. So the next 16 bonuses is WP super form and pop-up plugin, affiliate marketing toolkit, clickbank marketing secret, Twitter traffic secret, after that a video messenger bot marketing uplast, create video with Camtasia advanced. So this tutorial will show you how you can set up your Camtasia software for recording screen on your laptop or any kind of desktop. Okay, next one is eWriter Pro. This is the ebook creating software, and after that instant video creator, project genius, success graphics, PLR profit machine, template showcase builder, WP web conversion videos, 10 keys of product creation success, make first $100 on the web, online coaching business strategy, vidrank news with reseller rights, videos with reseller rights to social news pro. Here you can see the description, all the description are written, so you can pause the video and see the description of it. Okay, so next bonus is big traffic fire sale. So this course will show you how to use multiple social network and other websites to link the desired site that needs traffic. In big traffic fire sale you will learn how to get the best out of your desired traffic using both paid and free traffic sources. Okay, next one is list building profit kit. After that, YouTube cash. After that, split screen video creation. So this tutorial will show you how to split the screen of on your laptop or desktop and record the videos. Okay, so these are my bonuses worth more than $6,697 you will get for free. No need to pay anything for these bonuses. Okay, so you have to click on these buttons. Here you can see click here to secure your copy and bonuses. You have to click on these green buttons to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales pages look like this. Here you can see Buzzious is create an empire of profitable niche website that generate traffic and income on autopilot without having to write any content. Okay, so these are the features. Here you can see some features about the software. You have to click on these buttons to get Buzzious and all of my bonuses. Okay, so this here you can see 30 days money back guarantee. Also here you can see the steps, some easy steps. Here there is some testimonials about the software. There is some information. Okay, some information. Let's see the features of the software. So create on features. Here you can see create stunning news sites in just a minute. You can create stunning websites, newsletter websites. Next is trending content from top sources just via keyword. So you can search keywords and get some valuable content like blogs, like pages, like image, like videos. So anything which you want, you can search by keywords. Okay, next one is get free subdomain and hosting for each site. So you no need to buy any kind of hosting, you get for free. Okay, next one is a custom RSS feed support. As I say before, RSS support is mandatory for any kind of newsletter website, so you get it free here. Okay, next one is WYSIWYG editor to edit post. So you get drag and drop post editor, as you can see here. Okay, next one is SEO optimized sites for easy organic traffic. So you can integrate the Google search engine, and you can integrate Google Analytics so that your website will be ranked on Google site. Okay, Google search engine. Next one is ad space for any kind of ad and codes. So you can generate revenue from AdSense also. Here you can see. So next one is add unlimited fully editable pages and post. So as I said before, that you get a drag and drop post editor or page editor, so you can edit easily. Here you can see easily edit any kind of post and pages. Okay, next one is built-in lead generation system. So there is an opt-in code for visitors to subscribe on your new sites to build targeted list for ongoing income. Okay, so you can generate leads from these websites. Next is here you can see most powerful features of Buzzious software included. This is personal design, update categories and post, Google Analytics integration, dynamic tag system, comment system, cookie and GDPR compliant sites, sitemap XML generator. So this is great for any kind of done for you website creating software. Okay, next one is here is some certificate. Okay, next one, these are some information, some valuable information. Here you can see who is Buzzious for: any kind of internet marketer, affiliate marketer, freelancer, entrepreneur, consultant or list builder, advertisers, social media marketers, e-commerce store owners. Any kind of professions is suitable for Buzzious software. Okay, so here is some testimonials. So let's see the prices of this software. So the front end offer is two types of offer. You get a personal offer and you get commercial offer. For personal license you have to pay for only $27, and for commercial license you have to pay $37. Here you can see fully functional Buzzious app with all the advanced feature. Create up to 50 viral sites with subdomain, AdSense to profit for every click, Google Analytics to track progress, custom RSS feed, built-in lead generation system, cookies and GDPR compliant sites, and so much more. So you get all the features in front end, which is only $27. So if you buy the front end, you get all of my bonuses, so you don't need to pay extra for my bonuses, which is only $6,697. Okay, so you can get a commercial license or you can get personal license. I will show you the comparison between both. Here you can see personal license and commercial license. With personal license you can create up to 10 viral news sites, and with commercial license here you can create 50 and create unlimited content from top sources, create unlimited for contact from top sources. So there is both same. Free subdomains for each site, here is free hosting, both are free hosting, and unlimited fully editable page post, same. Monetize your sites in any way you like, here again it is same. Cookie and GDPR compliance, both are cookies and GDPR compliance. RSS feed support, email list building profit, both are same. Comment management system, both are same. Google Analytics, both. Image built-in SEO panel, here is the extra is sell Buzzious service to clients and charges top dollars. So you can open an agency for your own, so that you can serve the clients and get the dollar from them. Okay, so all for commercial license, here you can see you have to pay only $37. For personal license you have to pay only $27. Okay, next one is OTO1. So there is elite edition. Okay, so for elite edition personal versions you have to pay only $47, and for commercial license you have to pay for $67. Here you can see unlimited viral sites. So for the front end you can create up to 10 for personal and up to 50 for commercial license, and in OTO1 you get unlimited viral sites for both. Okay, next one is create videos post by curating them from YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, so you can directly integrate any kind of YouTube or Vimeo video. And next one is GIF and emoji support, post scheduler here. Next one is 100 layout colors for site to choose from, multilingual system, 108 languages. So you can create your website in different local language. Okay, next one is create unlimited voting polls, social login via Facebook and Google. Add your own custom domain for branding. So you can add your custom domains in OTO1. So you have to upgrade your software with commercial license with or personal license. Social sharing options with social media link support and so much more there is. Okay, so next one is OTO2 Buzzious resell rights. So you can resell this software and get 100% profit on your pocket. So if you buy the personal version, so you get 100 client license with $147. For commercial version you get 250 client license for $197. So there the best thing is there is no more upsell than two. There is two upgradation. So if you want to use it for your personal, then you can go for OTO1 and do not go for OTO2. I'll suggest you. Okay, so there is here you can see the demo. So you have to go to the description section. The first link will be the bonus page link, and the second link will be this demo link. So you can either go for the first link and go to the bonus page, and then after that you can see the demo. So there is 57 minutes of demo of this software. So you can see this, or you can go to the second link and you can see the separate YouTube video which I upload before this video. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you understand what is Buzzious is and how it's work. Okay, so please go to the description. The first link will be the bonus page link and the second link will be the demo link. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye bye.